Imagine losing everything in a single day, your job, your savings, and even your home. Would you see it as the end, or could it be the beginning of something extraordinary? Stick with me, because what I'm about to share could completely change the way you view setbacks in life. By the end, you'll see why life's harshest trials often conceal its greatest blessings. Have you ever had a moment where everything seemed to fall apart, only to realize later it was exactly what you needed? Hold on to that thought. It's about to come full circle. The fall. Building emotional connection. A man in his late 20s sits in a cluttered apartment, head in his hands. Meet Daniel. He had it all, or so it seemed. A promising career, a stylish apartment, and big dreams of building a wealthy lifestyle. But on a cold December morning, he received a devastating email. "We regret to inform you that your position has been terminated." Within weeks, his savings dried up, and the eviction notice came. The once confident Daniel now found himself standing on a friend's couch, wondering how life had spiraled out of control. When you hit rock bottom, the only way out is up. But what would you do if you were in Daniel's shoes? Would you fight back, or give in to despair? The struggle, excitement, and urgency. Daniel, now in a worn coat, handing out resumes at a coffee shop. Daniel tried everything: odd jobs, freelancing, even delivering pizzas late into the night. He felt like a hamster on a wheel, going nowhere fast. One rainy afternoon, his car broke down. With no money for repairs, Daniel sat on the curb, soaked and defeated. You know that moment when you're convinced the universe has a personal vendetta against you? Yeah, that was Daniel's Tuesday. But here's the twist. In his darkest moment, something happened. A stranger approached him, a man named George, dressed in simple clothes, carrying a tattered notebook. George shared a story of his own. Years ago, he too lost everything. But instead of giving up, he started investing in himself. Not stocks or businesses, but his mindset. He told Daniel, "The most powerful investment you'll ever make isn't in the market. It's in your perspective. Life doesn't happen to you, it happens for you." That single conversation flipped a switch in Daniel's mind. But how could a shift in perspective possibly fix the mountain of problems he faced? And what was in George's notebook that would change Daniel's life forever? The rise. Hidden blessings revealed. Daniel studying late at night, scribbling notes on a vision board. Inspired by George's words, Daniel began to rebuild his life from the inside out. He set small, achievable goals and focused on one key principle: compound growth. Each day, he committed to improving just 1%. Whether it was learning a new skill, networking with people who inspired him, or saving a few dollars, it all added up. Slowly but surely, his life transformed. 2 years later, Daniel wasn't just surviving, he was thriving. He had launched a business helping others navigate financial struggles and found fulfillment in ways he never imagined. And George's notebook? It was filled with one-liners like, "Every failure is a stepping stone to success," and "The harder the storm, the brighter the rainbow." Daniel's story is a reminder that life's toughest challenges often hide its greatest opportunities. It's not about avoiding setbacks, it's about using them as a launchpad for growth. So, the next time life feels unfair or overwhelming, remember, never judge life too soon. Your hidden blessing might just be around the corner. Smooth CTA. Redirect to next video. Speaking of hidden blessings, have you ever heard about the power of compounding? It's a principle Daniel used to rebuild his life, and it could completely transform yours too. Click here to watch our next video,